Famed Southern writer Mark Twain's classics, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn and The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, are getting a facelift. In an effort to become more politically correct, publisher New South is releasing censored editions of the books that replace the N-word and other racial terms. The N-word occurs more than 200 times in Huck Finn and 4 in Tom Sawyer. New South's books will replace the word with slave, and the term Injun will be changed to Indian. Dr. Ted Atkinson, assistant professor of English at MSU, specializes in Southern literature. He says this is just the latest attempt at revising Twain's books. He's teaching Huck Finn in his classes and used the controversy to talk about handling the novel's offensiveness.
We had a really good discussion about that, and students seem to be aware of why people would be offended, but they seem to think that if you have the discussion before you start the novel, then it makes that less likely.
Atkinson says his students understand the book reflects a certain time period that used such language. But when teaching it today, the key is creating an environment where there's no tension.
One of the things that a student said on Wednesday as we were talking about it was, the more that you fear a word, the more power that it has.
That's what Dr. Atkinson hopes students will learn from this situation, that what we say and why gives words their power.
We tend to forget that the words that we send out there do have a lot of impact on people. And I think Huckleberry Finn, a novel written in the 1880s, is very helpful for now talking about that issue.
As Twain said, the difference between the almost right word and the right word is really a large matter. And he was right, because we're still talking about it today. Ann Ashton Jones, Take 30.